Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am just giving my outdoor space a deep cleaning before I start to decorate it. So I made sure to start off with the window. It did have a lot of dirt, pollen build up, just stuff like that. So I'm just cleaning it with a little bleach and pine sol and wiping off this screen. I'm just cleaning off the door and the exterior. So I made sure I wiped down everything. So now it's time for me to clean off this side, and I'm just moving this stuff out the way. This is the part that is very time consuming, is cleaning off this banister. I went over it like 3 times just to make sure that I got all the dirt off, because I will be hanging up some outdoor panels. So this part really needed to be cleaned because it is white and you can see all the dirt and stuff like that. So when I hang up my panels, it needs to look perfect. I do have some outdoor lights around the rail. I don't know if you can see it, but I did hang them up last summer and I just never took them down, and I'm not going to take them down. I'm going to leave them up. So I'm just cleaning around it. And now I'm just going to throw some things away that I had from last fall season, and I'm not going to bother putting them up. I'm just going to trash it. So that's what I'm doing. Got out my trash bags, and it's just some florals and a lantern that I had bought. So I'm just going to throw those away. To clean this ceiling fan, I'm using Awesome all-purpose cleaner. You can find this at Dollar Tree, Walmart, but I think I purchased this one at Dollar Tree, and it works really good. Alright, so this is the overall look. Everything looks so much better, so much cleaner, and I cannot wait to do a decorate with me. So stay tuned for that. So thank you for watching.